The day that Kenya has been waiting for with pregnant anticipation has finally come to pass, and with it 6 key figures named by the ICC chief prosecutor, Luis Moreno Ocampo, as having been involved in hatching the post-polls bloodletting that left over 1,000 people dead and 500,000 others displaced. And this was Ocampo's justification.
William Ruto and Henry Kosgi, leaders of the Orange Democratic Party movement, began preparing a criminal plan to attack those identified as supporters of the Party of National Unity, in particular in the area of Rift Valley. Joshua Sange played a crucial part on this. He's a journalist, and he was involved in the planning of this operation, collecting supporters and also using the radio messages.
The 6 are under strict conditions by the ICC. They must frequently update the ICC on all their personal contact details and whereabouts. They are not allowed to make any personal contact with any of the other suspects unless through their legal counsel to prepare their defense. They will not approach any perceived victims or witnesses of crimes. They must not attempt to influence or interfere with witness testimony, tamper with evidence or hinder the investigation, and lastly, they should not commit new crimes. Breaking any of these conditions would result on the issuance of arrest warrants for the 6 and their detention.
If they are willing to appeal before the court and follow these rules, or if not, in this case, the prosecutor will request to the judges to issue an arrest warrant.
At least 85 members of parliament had started plotting a process to have Kenya pull out of the Rome Statute that binds it to the ICC and initiate a local tribunal to try the suspects. But today, Moreno Ocampo was clear about the case against the 6 prime suspects, clarifying that theirs is now a matter before the ICC and not any other national process.
I believe this case against 6 individuals is a matter of the ICC. What jurisdiction on it, because today there are no national proceedings against them.
Kenya will be the ICC's 4th African case after Sudan, Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda's Lord Resistance Army rebels, whose charges mainly concern genocide, war crimes and crimes against humanity. The ICC, which started operating in The Hague in 2002, is the world's only independent, permanent tribunal with the jurisdiction to try genocide, crimes against humanity and war crimes. Kenya was plunged into its worst post-independence violence after the December 27, 2007 general elections, in which then-opposition leader Raila Odinga accused President Kibaki of rigging his re-election. What began as political riots then turned into ethnic killings, targeting President Kibaki's Kikuyu tribe, who then launched reprisal attacks in which homes were torched, people hacked to death, and at least 600,000 forced to flee their homes. The violence was brought to an end after Kibaki and Odinga agreed to work in a power-sharing government under a deal brokered by former UN chief Kofi Annan. Hilary Isiga, NTV Tonight.